Hello, I'll show you in this short video how to use the Leadmagix. Let's tap the icon to fire it up and enter our credentials. Okay, this is our main page. Let's scan a badge of a visitor by tapping the barcode reader here. And here's our delegates page. All these properties except profile photo are specific to your booth. That means you can change them as you wish, and your changes, your updates doesn't affect the public information of the guest. For example, you can enter a different email address here, different than the default one, and it won't affect the public info. Let's do that. Put some other email and save by tapping the cloud icon at the top right hand side, and information saved successfully. Thank you. That's it. You can see here your booth specific email address. If that's a mistake, or if you want to revert back to the default one, if there is a default property, then you can just click this cross and save once more, and here it is. So let's leave this page here for one moment and go back. If you couldn't scan the badge, maybe the delegate wasn't wearing his or her badge, then you can tap the list of delegates and make a search here. Let's try to find Martha, for example. And Martha, no Martha, so there's a Martha or Martin maybe, but don't change these guests because they are real records. Let's try this one, Fatih Batal. You can tap the name. By the way, this is me. This is a test record. Now you can tap the name and go navigate directly to the editing page. You can enter all the information you want, his institution, his title, maybe he's a doctor or professor or I don't know, uncle, and specialty, cardiologist, oncologist, something like that. What technologies he or she is interested into, what are her or his expectations from you, from this contact, from this email sharing thing. And these are private to you, in-house notes about this visit, about this delegate, etc., etc. That's it. Let's save. Thank you. And go back. Let's click once more, and say you want to take the business card of his. It's going into a positive feedback, so I'm sorry for that. I gotta change the screen, and let's say yes, and use photo. Yes, use this photo as the front face of the business card, and here it is. And let's have a back photo and maybe another book here, and use this photo as the back face, and that's it. Let's save this once more, and now let's go back to the main page and scan the barcode once more for this guest. There it is. And let's send an email by clicking this paper plane icon at the top right hand side. That's it. The email sent. In a couple of seconds, taking longer, And actually you heard the voice. That email is arrived to my inbox. That's it. The delegate should receive the email as I did. Please warn them to check their spam box as well. Although we took every measures to prevent our emails to end up in spam box, some email apps, some email clients do not respect those measures. So please warn your delegates, your visitors, to check their spam box too. Another important thing is that Leadmagix requires a healthy internet connection for all of its operations, as saving the information of delegates or sending these emails. That means if you encounter a problem, some kind of problem, first thing you should do is to check your network connection. Are you connected? Are you not? Then try once more, and you shouldn't have any more issues. When you are through the day, when you're done, simply tap the top left hand side icon to log out. Now, let's do that and log in with another user. Say this one. And enter the list of delegates. As you can see, all those changes made by Lisa are not visible here because those were booth specific, and I can, as Berit Bauer, I can shoot another photo, another business card photo for front or back, and all this. Let's save this. It's redundant, but hey. There is one exception, an important exception, that is profile photos. We kindly expect you to be thoughtful and don't change or remove the photos unless it's absolutely, utterly necessary. Let's do that for the sake of this demo, and put a profile photo from here. And how about a mustached cowboy? Shoot the photo, use this one, save, thank you. Okay, and go back, and again, list of delegates. Here it is. And why this was an exception, let's log in back with Lisa. As you can see, that profile photo is public. So Berit changed the profile photo and Lisa still can see that one. And beware this details thing here right under the name. Write this. Lisa can see her own logs, as when did she send an email, when did she updated the business card of this guest, but those details weren't visible to the other users, other booths. And below we have, this is the last thing, I promise, below are your booth specific pages as brochures. If you'd like to display some content from those pages, you don't need to leave the app. Simply tap those icons and see your brochures, etc., etc. Well, that's it. Thanks for your time and have a wonderful conference. Thank you.